Theta is the 8th letter of the Greek alphabet, derived from the Phoenician letter Teth. In the system of Greek numerals it has a value of 9. Greek. In ancient Greek, I represented the aspirated voiceless dental plosive, but in modern Greek it represents the voiceless dental fricative. Forms. In its archaic form, I was written as a cross within a circle, and later, as a line or point within a circle. Latin. In the Latin script used for the Gaulish language, theta developed into the tau gallicum, conventionally transliterated as a, although the bar extends across the center of the letter. The phonetic value of the tau gallicum is thought to have been ts. Cyrillic. The early Cyrillic letter θήτα developed from I. International Phonetic Alphabet. In the International Phonetic Alphabet, I represents the voiceless dental fricative, as in thick or thin. It does not represent the consonant in the, which is the voiced dental fricative. Maths and science, lowercase. The lowercase letter I is used as a symbol for a plane angle in geometry. A special function of several complex variables. One of the Chebyshev functions in prime number theory. The potential temperature in meteorology. The score of a test taker in item response theory. Theta-type replication, a type of bacterial DNA replication specific to circular chromosomes. Threshold value of an artificial neuron. A Bayer designation letter applied to a star in a constellation. Usually the 8th star so labeled but not necessarily the 8th brightest as viewed from Earth. The parameter frequently used in writing the likelihood function. The Watterson estimator for the population mutation rate in population genetics. Indicates a minimum optimum integration level determined by the intersection of GG and LL schedules. The GG-LL schedules are a tool used in analyzing the potential benefits of a country pegging their domestic currency to a foreign currency. The reserve ratio of banks in economic models. Uppercase. The uppercase letter I is used as a symbol for dimensionless temperature in transport phenomena. Big O notation. Denoting an asymptotically tight bound in analysis of algorithms. I, a certain ordinal number. Representing pentaquarks, exotic baryons in particle physics. Brain signal frequency ranging from 4 to 8 Hz. One of the variables known as Greeks in finance, representing the lost value rate of an option over time. As a variable indicating temperature difference in heat transfer, in its archaic form theta is used as a symbol for Earth. Greek mathematics. The common usage of theta in mathematical problems began with the Greeks. They logically chose this Greek symbol since it was the next in their alphabet not yet used and was easily legible when recreating for multiple uses. Archaic crossed forms of theta are seen in the wheel letters of Linear, Linear B, and Egyptian hieroglyphics, the mathematical tensor product, exclusive disjunction, and direct sum operators, the identification symbol for the Earth, and the Celtic cross. The circumpunct, or circle dot, is seen in a wide range of places. Symbolism. In ancient times, tau was used as a symbol for life and or resurrection, whereas the 8th letter of the Greek alphabet, theta, was considered the symbol of death. According to Porphyry of Tyros, the Egyptians used an X within a circle as a symbol of the soul. Having a value of 9, it was used as a symbol for Enid. Johannes Lydus says that the Egyptians used a symbol for cosmos in the form of theta, with a fiery circle representing the world, and a snake spanning the middle representing Agathos daemon. The Egyptians also used the symbol of a point within a circle to represent the sun, which might be a possible origin of its use as the sun's astrological glyph. It is worthwhile to note that III plus or minus has the same numerical value in isopsephy as II to the first II 318. In modern times, L. Ron Hubbard's teachings of Scientology have expanded on the concept of a soul, or thetan. Abbreviation. In classical Athens, it was used as an abbreviation for the Greek I1/2 I plus or minus III, and as it vaguely resembles a human skull, theta was used as a warning symbol of death, in the same way that skull and crossbones are used in modern times. It survives on potsherds used by Athenians when voting for the death penalty. Baptista Daza in a document from 1291 relates the idea that theta was used to brand criminals as empty ciphers, and the branding rod was affixed to the crossbar spanning the circle. For this reason, use of the number theta was sometimes avoided where the connotation was felt to be unlucky. The mint marks of some late imperial Roman coins famously have the sum II or II substituted as a euphemism where AI would otherwise be expected. Character encodings, Greek theta, Coptic Teth, Cyrillic θήτα, mathematical theta, these characters are used only as mathematical symbols. Stylized Greek text should be encoded using the normal Greek letters, with markup and formatting to indicate text style. See also, n², n³ θήτα, a letter of the early Cyrillic alphabet derived from the Greek theta, bilabial click, voiceless dental fricative, notes.